So yesterday, our topic is all about the type of system of linear equations in two variables. So we have three different type of system. The first one is what we call the different slope. The second one, so equal slope and equal y-intercept. The third one is equal slope but different y-intercept. So we have two methods how to identify the type of system. The first method is using graphing. So you're going to graph the given system, and the second method is by rewriting the given standard to y-intercept form. So our easiest way is rewrite the given standard to y-intercept form. So using the equation for number 1, so I have here x plus 2y is equal to 4. So this is, what form is this? Standard or slope-intercept? Standard. So rewrite the given to slope-intercept. So sino po yung ililipat natin para maging slope-intercept? Si x. Kapag si x inilipat, tumalon sa equal sign, mababago ba si x? Yes, si positive x ay magiging negative. So this will become, o bring down natin si 2y. 2y is equal to negative x, then bring down 4 plus 4. Do you think the given is already in slope-intercept? No, kasi meron pang numerical coefficient si y. O, how to eliminate 2? Divide both sides by 2. Okay, divide. So, 2 divided by 2, 1. Or simply, y na lang. Next, what is the numerical coefficient here? Negative 1. And this is 2. Do you think we can simplify? So, no, kung hindi na, bring down na lang. We have negative 1 half x plus 4 divided by 2. Plus 4 divided by 2, 2. So, after getting the y-intercept form, identify what is the slope. Negative 1 half. Very good. And what is the y-intercept? Positive 2. So, this is the slope and the y-intercept of the first equation. This time, let us proceed by the second equation. So, we have equation number 2. I have here 2x minus y is equal to 7. Okay, rewrite the given to slope-intercept. Sino pang ililipat? Si 2x. Papunta sa right side. Magiging ano po si 2x? Negative. Ito, bring down lang to. Negative y is equal to negative 2x plus 7. Do you think the given is already in slope-intercept? Ano ba yung rule natin sa slope-intercept? Kailangan si y ay laging positive. O paano kaya maging positive si negative y? Multiply both sides by negative 1 para maging positive. Negative times negative, positive. Negative times negative, positive. Then bring mo lang to. Positive times negative, positive times negative, negative. And then 7 times 1, 7. So meron na tayong slope-intercept. Proceed na tayo. Get the y-intercept, get the slope. Based on the given, what do you think is the slope here? What is the slope? Positive 2. And what is the y-intercept? What is the sign? Negative 7. O, based on the given, compare the slope. So the first equation, the slope is negative 1 half, while the second given is positive 2. O, based on the given, what can you say about the slope? The slope are what? Okay, the slope are different. Meaning, what can you say about the type of system? Consistent and independent. What can you say about the graph? Intersecting line, and how many solution? Okay, exactly 1 solution. So, do you understand? Sige, 1 point each yan, ha?